In this video, I will show how to write text vertically in Microsoft Excel. So type your text. Firstly, you need to merge some rows. So select rows and click on merge and center. Change size. Then type January or type anything which you like. Now drag and drop. Now adjust size for column. So select column and adjust for size any column like this and click anywhere. Now select these cells. Now here orientation, select any angle like angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. So this is the method, guys. You can rotate your text in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.